The majority of makers have really found a skill that they love to play with, and it's just so fun to come home and lose yourself in code. But the reality of working in a development team is something that you might not have thought in depth about. So these questions of, where do I want to work? Do I want to work in a big company? Do I want to work in a consultancy? Do I want to work on a product or in a startup? You haven't even started to consider those questions yet, or really think about what it means to work in a software engineering team, which is a bit different to just on your own kind of playing with Ruby and going through Code Academy. So if you can, I would really encourage you to start to think about what it means to be a software engineer. We have had makers who've worked in companies with development teams and spent a day watching what they do and how they operate, and that typically gets them really excited about the culture. And also there are lots of meetups for people learning tech in the early stages and later on in their careers as well. The London Ruby user group is one that you might think about, and you can search meetup.com for meetups discussing career changing into tech, and you can start to meet people doing the job that you want to do and ask them what they love and what they don't like, and start to get a flavour of what it really means to be in tech. We really encourage blogging as well through the course. It's a great method of reflection. It's lovely to show an employer who you are before you walk into an interview. And it really gives you space to think about what you want and reflect on your wider career goals too. So having a play with a blog, Medium is a good platform. Also is nice to know what to do and how to do it before you start the course. When there's so much technology to learn, blogging can be sometimes the last thing you want to think about. So having a play with that, and maybe writing a career change blog, can be quite a nice entry into the things that you will do through makers and into your career as well.